Ndewonu. Ndị ọma. Kedu ka unu mere? Hello everyone. How you doing, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll learn some Igbo words and sentences for everyday use. Anyị ga-amụ ụfọdụ mkpụrụ okwu na ahịrịokwu anyị na-eji ekwu okwu mgbe dum. Now, there are a lot of Igbo words and phrases for daily use, so as usual, we'll take them in parts to make it easier for you to grasp. You might not get everything at first, and that's perfectly fine. You will, however, need to continually come back to this video in order to refresh your memory and to completely get all of them, all right? But then remember, slow and steady, okay? All right, Kani Bido, let's get started. The first one is start. Bido. Bido. So you can say, let's start. Kani bido. Kani bido. Let me start. Kam bido. Kam bido. So start is bido. Bido. Now if you start something, of course you have to stop. So what is stop in Igbo? Kwose. Kwose. Stop. Kwose. Okay. Now the next one is yes. Yes. You know, when someone says something and you're in agreement, how do you say it in Igbo? Eh. Eh. That's yes. What of when you're not in agreement? What do you say? No. So how do you say no in Igbo? We say mba. Mba. Or we can say eh eh. Eh eh. That is to show that you're not in agreement with what the person says. Alright? So if you're in agreement, you say eh. If you're not in agreement, you say eh eh. Or we can say mba. Mba. The next one is come. Bia. Bia. Yeah. Come here. Bieba. Bieba. Come in. Bata. Bata. That's coming. So how do we say come with me? Come with me. Now, I've had a student answer this question by saying come with me means bear with me. Okay, well, that is funny. It's also wrong. So if we want to say come with me, we'll say sorum. Sorum. That's come with me. What of come out? You know, come out from there. So how do we say that? We say pota. Pota. Come out. Pota. Another one is go. Gawa. 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 Go. Now, to say go away or get out, you know, or just leave here, we say poeba. Po eba. Po eba. That's go away or get out. Now, we can also say si eba po. Si eba po. That's get out of here, you know. Si eba po. This actually happens to be a favorite of my brother's. He loves this phrase. Si eba po. Okay, that's get out from here or leave this place. All right, so the next one would be take. Were. So you want to give somebody something, you say were. That's take. Next one is give. Nye. Nye. Give me. Nyem. 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 That's give me. Give us. Nye. Nye. Anye. So anye is us. So we say nye. We also use nye when we want to ask for help. All right. So I want to say help me. In Igbo, I would say nyerem aka. Nyerem aka. That literally means give me a hand. Give me a hand. So help me in Igbo is nyere m aka. Nyere m aka. And the next one is wait or hold on. And that is chere. 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 That's wait. Rest. Zuike. Zuo ike. That's rest. Now we have thank you. That's the magic word, right? One of the magic words, yeah. Thank you. Email. Email. So when someone does something for you and you want to show appreciation, you say email. Thank you. Email. Now we'll go to the next one. How are you? How are you? We say kedu ka imere. Kedu ka imere. Now we can also just say kedu. You understand? Kedu. That's how are you. Or we sometimes contract. In Igbo, there are some Igbo words that we contract. Words like kedu. So instead of saying kedu ka imere, we can just say ke ka imere. Ke ka imere. That's how are you too. So we either say kedu ka imere or ke ka imere. Alright? Now the next one. I'm fine. So when I ask how are you and you say I'm fine, how do you say that in Igbo? Adem mma. Adem mma. Adem mma. I am fine. Adem mma. Sometimes we can say anomia. I'm there. Just there. So how are you? I'm just there. So you say anomia. Anomia. In Nigerian pidgin, we will say I just there. So that is anomia. All right. No problem. No problem. How do you say no problem? Nsogbu adịghị. Nsogbu adịghị. Now, a native Igbo or a street way of responding to that would be onwede, onwede, that's no problem. Sometimes we can say udo, peace. Yeah. Udo means peace, literally, but sometimes we use it as no problem. So someone says, okay, I'll get this to you. And you say, okay, no problem. So we just say udo. Get udo. Okay. Now we'll go to another one, and that is I love you. Yeah. A lot of people ask me that, especially first time learners. Like, how do I say I love you in Igbo? So to say I love you, we say Ahurum Genanya. Mm-hmm. Ah, I love love. Okay. Ahurum Genanya. That is I love you. Ahurum Genanya. Ahurum Genanya. I love you. How also do we say I like you? I like you. Ihe gị masịrị m. Ihe gị masịrị m. That's I like you. Ihe gị masịrị m. Now we'll go to the next one, which is I miss you. I miss you. I miss you is anya gị na-eme m. Anya gị na-eme m. That is I miss you. We can also say obi gị na-eme m. Obi gị na-eme m. That also means I miss you. And my personal favorite is Agoge na agum. Ah, I love that. It literally means I long for you or I hunger for you. Sorry, that's the literal meaning. But then it means I miss you. Yeah. I long for you. Agoroge na agum. So that's so sweet. Yeah, Igbo is a beautiful language, I tell you. All right, so we'll move from that. I know. Amam. So you're telling me something, and I say, I know, I know. I say, Amam in Igbo. Amam. That's I know. I don't know. Amayim. Amayim. That's I don't know. Now, if I want to ask a rhetorical question like, do I know? I mean, why are you asking me, do I know? What do I say? I will say, Amam. Amam. Pay attention to the change in tone, right? To say I know, I say Amam. To say do I know, I say Amam. Amam. That's do I know? I mean, why are you asking me? Do I know? Okay. Now we go to I don't understand. So I'm telling you something in Igbo and you don't understand. How do you tell me that? You would say aghọtaghị m. That's I don't understand. Aghọtaghị. But to say I understand, you would say aghọtara m. Aghọtara m. Yeah, I understand. I get you. Okay? I get you. I understand. Yeah. You say aghọtara m. Aghọtara m. But I don't understand. Aghọtaghị m. Aghọtaghị m. All right. The next one is I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We say ndo. Ndo. Now, there really is no there's no real English translation for ndo. I mean, we say I'm sorry. You said sorry when you want to apologize for something you've done. Okay. You can also say I'm sorry when you want to express your condolence. Okay, so I'm sorry for your loss and all that. But you see, when someone hurts himself and I say I'm sorry, I'll probably be told it's not your fault. So why are you apologizing? But that's not the same with ndo. Ndo encompasses comfort and consolation. Ndo says, I empathize with you. I feel for you. I suffer with you. I understand what you're going through. Yes, such a small word and yet so powerful. I feel Ndo is one of the most powerful words in Igbo language, if not the most powerful. All right, so there's really no English word that encompasses the same meaning with Ndo, but then, well, closest to meaning. So we'll just go with I'm sorry. So when you want to apologize, you say Ndo, I'm sorry. Using when you want to empathize, using when you want to show fellow feeling. Yeah, that's it. So I'm sorry. Ndo. Ndo. And the last one for today would be goodbye. Yeah. Goodbye. That is kode. Ka ode. That's goodbye. Ka ode. Okay. Anyị ga-akwụsị ihe ọmụmụ taa ebe a. We'll stop here for today's lesson. Ngwa kọrọ onwe gị aka. Clap for yourself. Ịgbalịala. Well done. If you've enjoyed this video, please share and also give a thumbs up. I'd love to hear from you, so leave a comment below. Don't forget, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing. Kode. Bye.